Over the last 12 months at UES, we've continued to invest in our people, facilities and machinery to create efficiencies in our manufacturing and assembly processes. New design engineers have been added to the UES team, which is always positive as these new people bring with them different experiences and backgrounds and a fresh perspective in how we approach new solutions moving forward. We're very proud of the work our US team have made in streamlining the assembly and installation process of our seats, which we offer with an extended warranty. All our best designs have originated from a customer request and ongoing collaboration with the client to present the best solution. There is no point if the design process is not focused around a customer's project, otherwise we're not creating sellable solutions, but possibly making objects that we like, but maybe no one wants. The Voyager was a product developed because a customer wanted an airline flatbed seat that could recline to a sleeping position for longer run journeys. Other projects using that seat then required us to develop a modular and customized IMO certified paneling system, and the Haven was born. The Voyager and the Haven were successfully presented at Shipvacs this year and we received a great response. However, one important client commented that he could feel something at the seam of the seat and asked if we could analyze this a little further. So immediately we investigated.
So we received an email from a customer saying how much they loved our seat. However, they felt that there was an uncomfortable area in the lumbar of the seat. So I took that feedback to our design team and they collaboratively worked on solving that concern.
The designers had to reverse engineer the seat in every different recline position to determine if anything was protruding underneath the cover at any position to ensure that nothing could be felt near the seam in the flatbed position. From these investigations, we decided to make a number of subtle modifications.
I believe taking customer feedback is the most important thing for customer satisfaction. I think everybody likes to be heard. I think it gives a special element to when you've taken their feedback on board and made something specially for them.
Moving forward, UES believe it is absolutely vital to invest more and more resources into 3D animation, as I really believe the future of design is going to require this sort of presentation platform. Design and customer collaboration needs to make engineering drawings come alive, and 3D animation allows everyone to see how a layout will look and feel.
Designers and customers need to collaborate together, so we create a 2D drawing into a 3D model in a 3D space. We can collaborate together to finish the finer details before a final product is made.
Already many industries are using architectural renderings and 3D animation to create visual representations of what a final design will achieve. And we are most certain that as these technologies further develop, it will become a standard in communication. As the owner of UES, everything we do I take seriously because it's not just about money, it's personal. And it being personal is one of the best things about owning a private company because it's not just about bottom line or satisfying accountants to justify an investment or a new opportunity. It's about creating something different, taking something forward. In the years to come, it's my hope that together as an industry, that's what we achieve.